Welcome to this Bila Tech Academy course, guys. So right now, I want to talk about user experience and user interface, where you're going to use Figma to design websites and mobile apps by creating intuitive and engaging designs. So what we want to do now is to talk about UX UI, and we're going to talk about the benefits. We're going to talk about design processes, and we're going to talk about key elements of UI UX design, and we're going to talk about the best practices in UX and UI design. Mobile apps and websites are products of design, of course, and users expect a smooth selling experience using these products across all platforms, be it your laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. But in this particular course, we're going to focus on product design and how it relates to you as a product designer. So in this course, you're going to learn how to use Figma and some other UI UX tools. So the UI UX design process starts from you researching. We're going to look into that. We're going to look into wireframing and prototyping, and we're going to look into visual design. Then we're going to look into usability testing. So these are the processes of design. But right now, we're going to talk about how you can design visual interfaces for mobile apps and websites. So you're going to learn how to use Figma to design the interface of a mobile app and different websites. What is UI UX design? UI UX design is a broad concept, and you could see that user experience is UX, which means the overall experience a user has when interacting with a product or service. And we have user interface, which is the overall experience a user has when interacting with a product or service. So we're going to look into all these UI UX design, and you could see that it has a broader concept. So we're going to look into that broadly, and we have benefits of good UI UX design. These are the benefits of a good UI UX design. So it reduces development costs, it enhances conversion rate. We are going to actually see the benefits as we go on designing in this course. So Figma is that tool for you. So simplicity comes first, consistency, feedback, and mobile first design. These are the approach you use to design a good user interface. And there comes the experience. From a good user interface, the user gets to experience a good flow when it comes to interacting with your mobile apps and your website. And right now, we have different design tools. We have Figma for everything. So Figma can be your design tool, it can be your prototyping tools, and it can be your user research and testing tools. So Figma has it all complete, and that's why we're looking into this software, and we're going to use it to design. So as you can see, good design is not just about aesthetics, it is about understanding the user's needs and creating an experience that feels natural and easy to navigate. So we have explored what UI UX design is and what a good UI UX designer should be, the tools you will be using, which is Figma in this course. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.